create an AWS account. Go to google.com and type in AWS free tier account and free cloud computing services AWS free tier. Okay, so go and click on create a free account. So it's asking you for a username and password. So since we are going to create a new account, click on create a new account, and then it's asking you for your root email address. So I'm just gonna give in my email address, and it's gonna ask me for account name. I'm gonna give it java.in. So let me verify it. So then this is the verification code. Copying the code and then pasting it here. Verify. It's asking me to choose a root user password. I'm choosing a root user password. Heading on to the next step. It's asking me if it's for business, work, school, or organization, or personal for your own projects. So I'm gonna choose personal. So I'm gonna type in Java. I'm going to fill in my personal details here, and you have to fill in your phone number, country, address, city, state, everything, and you have to continue to next steps. Okay, so it's asking me for the bank details. So fill this one out. So it's asking me to type in my phone number and confirm that as well. So I'm entering the code that I got in my phone here. So I'm going to choose a basic support, which is free, and then I'm going to hit on complete. So everything is done now. All we have to do is log into the console again. So now it's asking me a lot of things. I'm going to click on using root user email because I do not have the IAM username or password with me. I'm going to enter my email address, and then I'm going to just verify the security check, and then I'm going to enter my password here that I set up during the initial phase. And now I have logged into the console. I'm going to switch to new UI console. Yep, we are in.
Remember to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, happy learning and keep unleashing the power of DevOps.